see the inside.
Supposed to have fried rice, kalua pig, eggs, some other stuff. It tastes really good.
Hawaiian burrito. No more sauce inside? Maybe there's sauce up there. Ketchup.
I don't need sauce. It's good.
Mine is good too. This is good.
I said there is some salsa.
Oh, there is. Oh, good. All burritos need salsa.
Good.
Good crunch. Thank you.
It's good for brunch. It's not the same as the McDonald's one, but it's still good. I always compare it to McDonald's.
Is it sweeter?
No, it's not sweeter. It's like McDonald's one almost, but it's a different brand, I think. Oh wow, I can really taste the fried rice in there. It's really good.
Next time.
This is really good. You guys should go check out the 49ers down Waikiki.
Bottom of Island Colony. Seaside.
Oh, Seaside, sorry, it's on Seaside. Close to Alawai Boulevard. Bottom of Island Colony. So good. Otherwise, you gotta go to IAR. Yeah? Yeah. So good.
Maybe they close early. I don't know what the hours are, but maybe you can look online, you know, for the hours.